if you look at the educational curriculum, they've started something called one chapter on financial education. I think that is the greatest what has happened. I think ये तो बढ़िया है. Today, a new gen coming in has some knowledge. It's not that he doesn't have a knowledge. He has fair amount of understanding in the sense that ये क्या होता है, stock market क्या होता है, equity क्या होता है, fixed income क्या होता है. There's fair amount of understanding. Another thing is that there are platforms. Now the platforms have become digital, has made life easier. In my days, you have to do KYC, you go to the branches. वो तो एक लंबा कहानी था that there is a lot of inertia to open a mutual fund account. Today it is not there, so easier. So in that sense, accessibility to mutual fund has become much more easier than what it was. हमारा दिन में एक ब्रोकिंग अकाउंट खोलने के लिए तो हम तो ढूंढना पड़ता था कौन सा फ्लोर में है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द
इतने तो थोपे होते थे फॉर्म्स पे बैठ के साइन मारते
अभी तो
साइन मारते.
टुडे that has become Bharat. Digital has become Bharat.
Absolutely.
My view is that if you have to start, you have to start at a smaller value. And you should start early. I will not say 500 karne ka, 1000 karne ka. I think you need to start early in terms of start investing. I'm not saying that you should only do mutual funds. If you are risk averse or if you're thinking that I will learn and invest, put the money in the FD. Start somewhere, habit of saving.